Hi folks, down here I want to show you my first pair of baby Portuguese tumblers, and they just got done eating. That's why they got a little stuff on their beak. And oh, this guy, he's restless. He won't sit still for the camera. Yeah, go ahead and fall off. See, you're not doing right. But anyhow, just wanted to show you my first baby pair. I was unable to get any bands this year because it was too late in the season, so these are late hatches. But what can I say? Kind of a grizzled, smoky look. This one's more darker here, of course, as you can see. But these still got downy feathers on them. Cute little guys. And the parents is, the hen's got some white in her, and the cock has some about similar colors to what these guys got. Here he goes again. He's gonna try it again. Boy, boy, boy. Anyways, just wanted to show you. Oh, get back in here. As you can see, these are real tiny birds. I think I better put them back before Mama and Papa get mad. There you go. Is that much better? I didn't move so much. Yeah, this one looks like it's going to be more of a grizzled color. Got a white chest. Yeah, you can see the white on them right here. Yeah, these guys just got done eating. Put them back before they get upset. Okay, guys. Alright, just thought I'd show you my baby Portuguese tumblers. The first batch I had was this year. It's a late hatch, but at least I had a pair. Okay. Thanks for looking.